Hi, my name is Austin Rowles, Director of Maintenance here at Helicopter Institute. This week, our subject matter experts are going to be giving us a closer look at some of the aircraft in our fleet. But for today, let's head out to the flight line. Here behind me, we have one of our newest aircraft in the fleet, the Bell 505. This aircraft is fully MVG modified and is a popular helicopter for our MVG courses. And now we've come to the AS350B2. This aircraft is once again modified with an MVG cockpit, has FLIR capability, and many other modifications to meet your training needs. This is our Bell 407. It's a popular training aircraft amongst the law enforcement customers we have because of its many capabilities to include hoist, cargo hook, MVG modified cockpit, and a searchlight modification. Let's run down to the hangar and take a look at a unique aircraft for our fleet. Some of our aircraft have unique paint jobs representative of the area that they will be operating in. For example, this MD-500 has our Texas motif painted onto it with symbols that you may recognize like the Alamo or Longhorns. The next aircraft you're about to see has our Arizona paint job, in which you'll see cactuses or the hilltops of Arizona skyline. Here we are at our last location for today. Behind me, you'll see a series of Bell 206 aircraft that are currently being prepared for a future contract. To my left, you'll see a Robinson R-44 that has just gone through an overhaul by our own Robinson Service Center. In addition to the overhaul, we're currently installing a glass cockpit in partnership with Av Panels, Bendix King, and Becker Avionics. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.